Vikki and I, and little Lola puppy down here. We are very tired. It's late.
I'm very tired.
But the boys are getting older now. And it's just not really the same, is it, as when they were little? No, it's not as exciting as it used to be.
Look at the way I'm sat, and my sweatshirt looks huge. So look how tiny my head is on my huge sweatshirt.
Yeah, massive. It's crazy. So we thought we'd just very quickly show you their little piles of presents. Hang on. So we've got William. Williams is there with his little name there, William. And over the other side, we've got George. So, and there's
Where's
the
mine?
Christmas tree there. Vicky's is, hang on, let me show you. Hang on. There we go. So we've got Williams, we've got George's, we've got Vicky's. Let me count again, hang on. We've got, hang on, let me count. There's Williams there. There's George's there. There's Vicky's.
Lola's growling.
Where's Lola? Do you know where mine is?
I can tell you.
Do-
You shouldn't have been so flippin' naughty.
Apparently. Look at me. Look at me. I look like Mr. T. We'll go to bed now. It's not anything worth me getting up for.
Nope.
Tomorrow.
Nope.
Yep.